Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aries, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, Aries. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy. So you can stay tuned for that reading, guys. So let's start with these cards. We have Five of Swords in reverse, Hermit in reverse, and Emperor in reverse. So in your situation, Aries, it may be in your work situation or in your relationship, you are maybe making a lot of efforts and you want things to go in the right way for you according to your expectations. So you are having some worries about your future or how things will go for you. So it may be some worry in your work regarding some projects or assignments, or some fear regarding this relationship. Maybe you are afraid what this person is going to do. So some confusions or doubts are there. What will they decide, or what will be their reaction, or what will be their behavior, or what will be their choice today. So some kind of confusions or doubts you have on this person or for this relationship. So something is not right and you are afraid that this person will not understand you or they will leave you. So you may have some fears, some doubts today, guys, in your life. And you are someone who is really kind and compassionate, guys, in your situation. And maybe today you are regretting the things that you did without thinking. Maybe you have done something wrong or decided something wrong in this love or for this person or for this relationship, and that may be the reason you have some fears towards this person or towards this love. Maybe you feel that they will not understand you and they will not forgive you or they will leave you. So some kind of fear about the future or fear about this person, what they will do. So you feel that your expectations will come true and you're afraid for that. And your immature choices are the reason for things going in this particular way today, guys. And maybe there are people trying to pull you down or bring you down. Maybe they are they are trying to ruin your reputation. So someone is talking behind you and they are spreading rumors or gossips about you and trying to tarnish your name. And this person, you fear that this person may listen to those gossips or rumors. They may believe that and they may leave you. So that may again be the reason for some fears you have today. But you are simply regretting the things you did, maybe, but you don't know what to do now. Maybe go to them, say sorry, reconcile, or what is the right thing to do today, guys. So some kind of confusions or doubts are there today in your situation, Aries. But Aries, these cards may point to something negative or they may give a negative impact on you have. But you need not worry, these are just cards. They are pointing out to the direction. Maybe we can change that situation. So our life is in our hands, so we need not worry. So what we make of our day rests in our hands, guys. So that is the reading for you all today, guys, Aries. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Aries. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards. This is your first card and the first crystal, the second card and the second crystal. So any doubts or confusions, you can just close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card or the crystal that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with the first card after a few seconds. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading. Let's see what is the card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this crystal and this card, we have Apache Tears. So with this card, it just means that letting go of the grief you are experiencing today, maybe of the past, and releasing all that pain and hurt so that you will heal from the situation today. So this crystal spirit, it does not stand for repressing your emotions or being afraid. It just helps you to accept the facts that what is happening today, and you need to release all that hurt you're feeling, all that heartache you are having. So in order to enjoy happiness and peace of mind in future, guys. So often when we are in some situation where things are not going as we planned and we feel rejected, hurt by someone, or certain things are not working according to our expectations, we really feel hurt. So we may experience a lot of pain and hurt, but we need to understand that someday when we look back at this day, we will be simply smiling because we will know the import of this situation then, guys, and we will understand that rejection is God's protection in some ways. So this crystal spirit is calling you to recognize that even this loss or pain we are bearing today will become an unexpected gift, and it will help us to live our lives more fully, lovingly and more meaningfully in future, and much more good things will come our way in our life. So we need to hold fast to the truth and see how destiny is unfolding for us in our life, guys. And we need to clear the space by releasing the past and washing away all that with our tears, maybe. And we need not hold on to the old emotions. So when we clear the space, something new is going to come in our life. So that is the energy with this card, guys. The Crystal Spirits Oracle card for you all today. So thank you for watching, guys. So now let's see what is the second card and the reading with that card. So we will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this crystal and this card, we have Goose Girl, Theft. So for those who chose this card, guys, it just means that in your situation, maybe there is someone who has wronged you very badly, and they have tried to take something from you, something that is really precious for you, and they have wronged you very badly. You trusted them, but they are not someone to be trusted. But whatever you have lost, maybe even you have lost your identity, or you don't know what you are today, and you have no one to tell what has happened today. But whatever it is, truth will always shine through, guys, and justice will unfold at the right time. So you need not worry. So people who are envious are trying to take something from you, or they have already taken, or maybe for some of you, if you have taken something from someone which is precious to them, you need to understand that though you try very hard to hide what has happened, justice will surely unfold, and you can never keep truth from being revealed, guys. So at the right time, truth will be revealed. So if there is someone who has wronged you, you should understand that you are unique and your identity will never be lost, and it will shine through however hard you try to cover yourself up, guys. And you cannot be copied, and you're cared and protected for. And maybe people love you for what you truly are, your true nature, not for the possessions you have, not for the things you have, or how rich you are, or for your status. So you need to understand that. You need to understand that you are valued for your true self, not for the things you have with you, guys. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, you need to understand that truth will always be revealed, and you can never hide truth for a long time. So that is the energy, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. Watching this pick a card love reading. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.